Well, thanks everybody for the nomination. First of all, thanks to my family, my brother that has always been there since day one, and all my friends and colleagues on the field. Shout out to my initial mentor, Tony Delois, that has introduced me to the deepest secrets of refereeing and how to handle coaches and administrators and all that stuff. Shout out to you guys. Then I got to be, Tony Crush and all the mentors. So I truly appreciate this award, and I do it with the heart of passion for the sport, and first of all for the kids. So with all that said, thank you guys, and it's an honor, and hope to keep teaching young referees and be an impact to the soccer community. Thank you all.